Time now for Better Money Boston. I'm here with Nick Colantuono. He's a certified financial planner with Johnson Brunetti. Now, taxes. You've often said, Nick, that they could be our biggest expense in retirement. I want to find out, how do we keep Uncle Sam's share to a minimum?
Well, that is the million-dollar question. You know, so many folks save so much money into these tax-deferred retirement accounts with really no idea of how much is necessary to have in them in the first place. So, Megan, my biggest tip is just approach it with a plan. You need to be aware of what those tax implications are going to be in retirement. You know, we think about those big savings accounts, the 401ks, the IRAs. Nobody knows better than your good friend Uncle Sam that you haven't paid a penny of tax on that money. And that tax time bomb is certainly ticking.
I often hear you talk about buckets of money in retirement. What about that tax bucket?
Well, it's important to know the ramifications of taking distributions out of your different accounts. Tax efficiency is key. We believe in having different buckets doing different things. And at the end of the day, those buckets should live in different worlds. It'll help you minimize the taxes that you owe off of those distributions that you take.
Nick, when we enter retirement, clearly we're going to be withdrawing from those accounts. How do we do that in a very tax-friendly mindset?
I believe in balance, right? Different buckets doing different things. You might have tax-deferred accounts. You might have tax-free accounts. You might have accounts where if you sell something, you pay a capital gain, or maybe if you're just withdrawing cash, there's no taxes on it. So leveling out the distributions across those different tax worlds will just help smooth out that tax implication in retirement.
Nick, tax rates, they're historically low right now, but all good things come to an end. Tell us what happens in 2026.
Well, we all know that the tax code is going to expire. We've got an administration change. There's a potentially contentious election coming up. So who knows what's going to happen? But like I always say, the one constant is change.
All right. So if we're going to take advantage, probably do it now.
Yeah, Roth conversion planning. It's certainly something that we're talking with all of our clients about.
You've brought a free book on this very topic. Tell us about that.
This is the Tax Explorer, Megan. It's a fantastic resource to just approach the implications of income in retirement.
Huge implication. Could be, as Nick said, one of your biggest expenses in retirement. Get that free book today at bettermoneyboston.com. Again, go to bettermoneyboston.com.